she ascends those marble steps to assume her seat on the Supreme Court, bringing a lifetime of experience on and off the bench. America will have taken another important step towards realizing the ideal that is chiseled above its entrance: equal justice under the law. 250,000 marble headstones dot these rolling hills in perfect military order, worthy of the dignity of those who rest here. When Sonia Sotomayor ascends those marble steps to assume her seat on the highest court of the land, America will have taken another important step towards realizing the ideal that is etched above its entrance: equal justice under the law. Carved into the marble behind me are the words of our first commander-in-chief. When we assumed the soldier, we did not lay aside the citizen. Just as the contributions that our servicemen and women make to this nation don't end when they take off their uniform, neither do our obligations to them. They'll run their fingers over the places where the names of those we loved are carved into marble and stone, and they may wonder at the lives that they led. It's an image of Earth. Beautiful, breathtaking. A glowing marble of blue oceans and green forests and brown mountains brushed with white clouds rising over the surface of the moon. And as Richard sat in a wheelchair beneath that great marble statue, he wept. Not a bust made of marble. He was a man of flesh and blood, a son and a husband, a father and a friend. Last month, for the first time since 1972, NASA released a blue marble, a single snapshot of the Earth taken from outer space. It's why we share a blue marble as opposed to a brown or gray one.